Hey guys, Running Kimono here, so I hope you're all doing great. Today we're going to be looking at some Walgreens clearance. Some of this merchandise up to 90% off. We've been looking at it for the last month or so, and a lot of the stuff that was like, at 50% or even 30%, we're looking at it being up to 50 or 70. So I'm going to show you those patterns, looking at some of this with Ibotta, looking at it with some IVC coupons. So the first item that we have that's absolutely fantastic is the Covergirl foundation for 99 cents. The original price for this product is $9.99. So as you can tell, it's 90% off. This one store that I visited had a lot left. So for this specific one to use with a coupon, because it is a goofy price, one of two things. Either you'll pick one up for 99 cents, present this coupon, and the cashier will ring it down to 99 cents on the nose, like drop the coupon's price down. But you can also grab 4 for $3.96, use a $3 coupon because you're buying $3 of the product, and it should kick it down to 96 cents. Now here's the thing. Covergirl coupons are very, very, very touchy at checkout where they don't scan properly. I've noticed this for the last many months where they just don't scan as they should. So if you're an unfriendly store, just pick one up for 99 cents and call it a day. But if you could do this for use a coupon, that's an alternative. If you want to wait on buying some of this cosmetics too, because we have a beauty event from July the 9th to the 11th, that might be something to wait with, just possibly do it then. Now, this is a deal that you can do it before the beauty event because you can't use an IVC with the booster for the beauty event. But anyhow, grabbing 2 of these, scanning that 4 off of 2 from the July Big Book of Savings, you're paying 39 cents per Covergirl lip product. And any way you shake it, this is a really good deal. But with the IVC, again, it's going to be very tricky for a beauty event. So, I would just do this one before because somebody's probably going to clear it before then. And then we have this coupon from the Smart Source of June the 21st. Grab 6 of them for $14.34. Scan that IVC once and $12 is coming off. You're left with paying $2.34. Or if you have that $2 coupon and it scans, it'll be 34 cents for the 6. Again, if that coupon doesn't scan, that might be part of it. And then alternatively, if you just want to grab 2, perhaps when it's 78 cents or whatever the price point is, the cashier could mark this coupon down to the cost, which they sometimes do. So hopefully I didn't confuse too many newbies with that, but if you've been around Walgreens for a long time, you know precisely what I'm talking about. It's just a different way to look at it using a coupon with those clearance items. Now, the next bunch of items that we're going to look at are beauty, including this Cetaphil. It's a purifying clay mask for $8.49. I think that's about 50% off. Typically, Cetaphil products are, 15 plus, just under 20 bucks. It's really expensive stuff. And if you have sensitive skin, this is supposed to be the best. We have the Biore. This is some sort of strip blue agave for $3.99. So that's looking like, $8 for that product. I can't really see that, but maybe it's, 20% off or something like that. I can't imagine those are the greatest savings, but maybe in a couple weeks it'll drop a bit more. And then we have the Jergens Lavender. This is some sort of lotion. I remember buying this last winter. It's $3.99. I think the original price point for this was $7.99, which was still quite a bit, but I'm thinking this line just did not make it with customers, so that's why it's in the clearance bin. And then the very cute Sally Hansen. This is obviously for Easter with these 2 adorable bunnies for $4.49. It would be very nice to see this, for 49 cents. I think it would just start flying, but for whatever reason, it's priced at this store, and it does look very Eastery. We have this Muscatella, sorry if I'm butchering that, for $3.74. It looks like some sort of children's, like for a baby, sort of like a gel of some sort, cleansing gel. And then we have the Curel Dry Therapy for $5.99. Curel products are typically, I think like double that price, so it would be $10 or $11 just for one. So that's a value right there at 50% off. Okay, so now we have some hair care products by African Pride, including a leave-in conditioner for $2.49, and then we have some essential oils. I think that's probably also like a hair product, strengthens and protects for also $2.49. So yeah, there's some savings right there. And then also, this looked quite interesting. It's a leave-in like hydration cream for $2.49. So this might be something to pick up, and it looks like a really nice line. I should have grabbed a couple of these when I was in there. There was quite a few on clearance, so I might reinvestigate that. We have the Dulcolax liquid. It is $2.49. There's a $2 IVC coupon that should attach to this product, dropping it down to 49 cents. Ibotta has a $3 rebate, and it's blanketed for various products, so I'm hoping that this liquid is part of it. If it does in fact attach, it would be free plus a $2.51 moneymaker. I'll definitely have to scan this guy when I'm back into the store. I just was kind of in outer space a couple days ago. But yeah, so this is what the product looks like. And I do know that Target had a rebate just for this liquid, but $2.49, wow. And then this is the $2 IVC. As you can see, 12 ouncer, so that will definitely attach because that's a 12-ounce bottle of the Dulcolax. I feel like I'm on The Price is Right because who talks about Dulcolax this much? And then just to give you a quick glimpse of the Ibotta rebate, I know a lot of us are trying to get 24 rebates for the Stars and Stripes bonus, which is an extra $5 when you do 24 rebates on Ibotta. If you were lucky enough to get it, this would be a fantastic one to grab. Now, while I was near the clearance section, the dollar section is really close to that at my Walgreens. Every Walgreens has a dollar section with food and very cheap items. It's closer to the pharmacy or it's in its own aisle near clearance. I found this dollar Bic Flex 2, so it's a razor with 3 heads for $1. Now, you know, whenever they have a $1 or $2 coupon, I'm wondering if it's going to attach to this product because this is a brand new product found in the dollar spot. So I'm absolutely going to investigate that the next time a Bic coupon pops up and definitely scan the barcode on this guy because I'm very, very curious about this product. And like for $1, it just seems quite interesting. And then we have the La Roche. It's some sort of like water spray for $3.25. So if you are extra fancy, you're going to need that to cool down this summer. And then some ring relief for $6.24. That's typically like double the price of that for the ring relief. I know that that is not cheap, that stuff, to deal with like tinnitus, ear infections, that sort of stuff. We have a clear makeup bag for $3.88, which is a really goofy price. If you're traveling a lot, going through the airport a lot, you probably will need one of these, and that is a very inexpensive price for the sort of like cosmetic tote, that sort of stuff. Throw in a bunch of your travel size shampoos, lotions, and potions, and you're ready to take a trip, but probably not this year. That's not even funny. Sorry, guys. Okay, the next items that we have include some Airborne. Again, taking a holiday. Look at that little guy on the thing. Nobody's taking a holiday. That guy is $4.34, and we have some children's Zerabee for $2.74, and I wonder if there's still an Ibotta rebate for that guy. I just looked on Ibotta. There's a whole bunch, so I'm definitely going to have to scan that barcode to see if I can get something to stack with that. But it's looking like a no right now, so we'll have to investigate that. We have some Walgreens Cold and Flu, 50% off at $3.39. You never know when you might need this, so that's a pretty good little stock up price. We also have some aspirin for $4.49, so not the biggest savings. And this is a huge bottle, 180 pills. So I am thinking couple weeks on a Tuesday will this drop to 60-70%. We'll have to wait and see. And we have the double pack of the Burt's Bees for $3.79. I believe last week in my video I had an EOS lip balm also like 50% off. So I'm thinking any week we're going to see a lot of products in that aisle really reduced. Now let's walk into the cereal aisle. Oh my gosh, guys. Everything is 50% off. So I'm not sure if you're on that website, Kellogg's Family Rewards. If you sign up, sometimes they have like high value dollar coupons. So even at $2.19, like use $2 in points, that's 19 cents for a box. And then a lot of us are getting tons of register rewards. if you were going to throw a couple register rewards into a deal so you're paying very little out of pocket, that would be really smart, especially for food. Definitely check the expiry dates on all the boxes too, because you don't want to be buying something that, expired 2 months back. We have this Pop-Tart cereal. I don't think this one did well at all in the market because I see it on clearance everywhere. So I don't think it was a success because it's a new product and it's already on clearance, which is like, oh. And then this was really cool. The Kellogg's Rice Krispies. So they have the frosted one and the strawberry one. That would be really kind of cool to make like Rice Krispie squares with these different flavored ones because they're already flavored. So if you're into Rice Krispies, this might be a thought. And $2.19. Hello. And then we have the Post Honey Made S'mores. So $2.19. So if you have like kids, there wasn't very many healthy cereals that I saw that were reduced at this price. I did see one which was Raisin Bran, but most of them 50% off. This is the Raisin Bran with bananas for $2.19. Also killer price, and they had a ton of it at this one store. So you might want to just either figure out using points if you're on Kellogg's Family Rewards or have some Peelies. Make it happen for this cereal because 50% off is a really great price point. Now, you know where all those like protein bars and all that stuff. So it was at 50 and now look at this one, 69 cents. And definitely open up your Ibotta app, type in the name of all these different companies, because sometimes there's always a rebate for like one of these, like a Luna bar or that other one that's always there. I think it's in the next slide. What's it called? The Kind Bar. $1.59. I think there might be a rebate for that one. And then this other one, I'm not even sure what the name is, but it's 69 cents and it looks like there's a bunch of pomegranates, superfruit. So that would be kind of interesting to see, if there might be an Ibotta rebate. And Cliff Bar too, there was an Ibotta rebate and at various stores. Some of those were also on clearance. As always, guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.